What's up, everybody? So, a question I get asked often is, can a bankruptcy be deleted before the 7 year or 10-year time frame? And the answer is absolutely yes. They are the toughest item to remove from a report. But as you can see from these few screenshots, we recently got some bankruptcies deleted. They take a lot more time, take a lot more effort, take a lot more steps than things like a collection or a charge off or inquiries. So they can definitely be deleted if the right person's working on it. Don't do the FTC identity theft stuff because it won't work for a bankruptcy. Those credit sweeps don't work for bankruptcy, so you're wasting your time anyway doing a credit sweep. So make sure whoever you hire, they're doing it the right way. As always, make sure they can show you the work, they can prove that they're doing the work. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.